And why do people comment all that? I don't understand. Why is there so much negativity without any reason? Why do you need to spread that in your comment section? You could at least say something good about that person, make their day. But no, they want to do all this. So I don't know. I don't understand why. I just feel this has been a very special year for India to go to such a big global platform and represent. Everyone is representing. वहाँ पे कोई और influencers तो नहीं आए थे. हमारे Indians ही आए थे ना.
But have you written a love letter?
हाँ, ट्राई करा है, कोशिश करी है, बट कुछ नहीं होता. कॉपी पेस्ट भेजा है.
I'm guessing
I would love to give someone
कॉपी
one.
पेस्ट जरूर भेजा मैंने.
Copy paste.
लो.
नाम चेंज कर दिया था कि नहीं?
Google पे तो नहीं सर्च कर रही.
नाम सेम तो नहीं लिख दिया था?
नाम तो मेरा ही था.
But
सतीश बहुत प्यार करता है तुमसे, ऐसा तो नहीं?
सतीश ने भेजा. As a hero, you do romance and comedy is one of the best expressions.
गूगल को अगर कुछ नहीं पता तो वो अन्नू कपूर सर्च कर.
Absolutely.
hello and welcome to News 18 Shosha. And today we have with us the lead cast of ZEE5's Love Ki Arranged Marriage, Sunny Singh and Avneet Kaur, and along with the producer and writer of the film, Raj Chandelier. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Raj, I want to start with you. How do you feel about the film putting the spotlight on a new age love story, between senior citizens? Because we have seen such stories before, not this story per se, but we've seen love stories, brewing between senior citizens before. We've seen quite a few of them. So what is it that you're offering new?
See, this story is between father and son actually, and son's girlfriend and father's girlfriend. कभी कभी ये हो जाता है कि आप एक परिवार की जब कहानी कह रहे होते हैं तो कंफ्यूजन तो हर शादी में होता है, आपको पता है. हर एक शादी में कंफ्यूजन का नाम ही शादी है, आपको पता ही होगा. Are you married or not?
No.
Happy, that's why you're happy. So क्या होता है, एक कहानी जब आप कह रहे होते हैं, नयापन हम लाने की कोशिश करते हैं कि इस कहानी में कुछ ऐसा तो कहें कि लोग आएं और फिल्म देखें. जब आप हमारा ट्रेलर देखेंगे तो आपको एहसास होगा कि हाँ, ये फिल्म है बड़ी सिंपल, लेकिन इसमें कुछ ऐसे ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स हैं जो शायद आपने कभी पहले नहीं देखी हो. और उसमें मैं अगर रिवील कर दूंगा कि अभी क्या है तो लोगों के लिए तो हमारे जो है ना
ZEE5 पे फायदा ही नहीं.
फिर ZEE5 को फायदा नहीं है.
Sunny and Avneet, I want to ask you guys, what are your thoughts on giving love a second chance?
Second chance is difficult. It depends upon what is the situation like. So I think it's tough. It is also to do with the person and an individuality, and it's each to its own. But second chance can be given if you have a trust on someone. But first chance better होता है. अगर नहीं चला तो you take time, and that's it. I think that there is normally what happens is after the second chance there's a time gap of a relationship, like with the partners. Some people flourish with it, some people doesn't work on it, it doesn't work at all. So it depends on the second chance.
Avneet, what are your thoughts?
I think everyone should be given a second chance. That's what I feel.
फिर तो फायदा क्या, second chance दे दो, third chance हो
फिर
चलता
कुछ नहीं, फिर
रहेगा.
तो
Yeah, that's it.
So basically she will give a second chance.
Yeah, I would give a second chance.
All right. Sunny, we've seen you in quite a few romantic comedies. With this one again, you're back in a genre where, you flourished. So did you ever think, that you could be typecast, or did the script really win, did it win you over?
No, ma'am, I never think that. I always wanted to become a hero since I was a kid. अब मेरे लिए मैटर ये करता है who I am with, making with. I, as a friend and I'm very much honored that I'm working with him, because there are many less people in the industry who write really well, and as a director also. So I think I'm a fan of 3-4 people. He's one amongst them. So मुझे पता है कि एक institution और जुड़ना कितना important होता है. Typecast वाली चीज़ मुझे नहीं समझ आती, क्योंकि आप अगर कॉमेडी करोगे तो रोमांस तो आएगा ही, और रोमांटिक कॉमेडी बनती है, लोग खुश होते हैं. और आई थिंक even after lockdown there are a few romantic comedies which I've worked, and that is more important, and I love doing that. I'm happy and blessed that I'm a part of it. As a hero, you do romance and comedy is one of the best expressions. See, there are two things which I believe is one, the maker, and one is the actors you have, the pillars of the film. Like when you have people like the senior actors like Anu Kapoor sir and Rajpal ji, Supriya ma'am, Mushtaq sir, so you know it's going to be right and there's going to be something new. The very first day I was happy was when he and me we were on call. He used to come on the set and he used to tell us to do this way. Every director has a different strength, so he had that strength and I wanted to be part of it. It is easy for us because he shows us the vision, and also we have senior actors, so together which you make, you improvise. It's like हर एक सीन के बाद कुछ अलग, तो वो चीजें अचीव करनी होती हैं और वो बड़े क्यूटली और चार्मिंगली करी है.
But how is it working with veterans like, you know, Anu Kapoor and Supriya Pathak Shah?
It was very inspiring. Who doesn't want to work with them? I mean, they are legends, seriously. Supriya ma'am's work history has been amazing. Anu sir is so intelligent. मुझे पता भी नहीं था, मतलब I used to see his acting and everything, and I used to love his roles, and I've wanted to work with him since a very long time. But when I got to know him, actually, he's so intelligent. Like, he has so much knowledge to give, and I tried to take as much as I could. But
But
yeah.
did you feel, like any of you guys, you know, did you feel intimidated because, you know, there's such big actors and, you know, just to be in their
But their
presence?
knowledge is different. हमें तो ये भी नहीं पता, मतलब वो जहाँ हम शूट करें उनको उसके बारे में भी पता है. So his knowledge is somewhere else. In terms of acting,
Yeah.
his knowledge is different.
It's my third film with him, Anuji, and he knows each and everything better than Google.
Yeah.
Better than Google. Google को अगर कुछ नहीं पता था वो अन्नू कपूर सर्च करता.
Absolutely.
You know, वो and he is so young actually. अभी आप ये आप बोलते हैं ये उनकी एज इतनी हो गई, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So energetic, उतनी एनर्जी पता नहीं कहाँ से आती है उनमें, मुझे समझ नहीं आता. कौन उन्हें स्टार्ट करके छोड़ जाता है हमारे पास. वो ऐसे हो जाते हैं बिल्कुल आके एकदम, you know,
Plus double role.
plus double role. Double role, you know, और उसमें भी अलग तरीके variations, you know. And when he's a master of his art actually. उनको
Raj, you worked with him before also.
Yeah.
So was that an easy choice to make? To sort
See,
of cast him?
when I was doing my first film, you know, that was my debut with Dream Girl. मुझे लोगों ने कहा कि he's a very difficult actor, you know, don't cast him ऐसा वैसा. ये कई लोग होते हैं जो आपको सलाह देते हैं, बहुत रायचंद है हमारे हिंदुस्तान में. तो जब मैं उनसे मिला जाके, फर्स्ट मैं उनको नरेशन दे रहा हूँ, तो उन्होंने फर्स्ट हाफ तक उन्होंने सुना, कहने लगे मेरे लिए तो उस फिल्म में कुछ है ही नहीं. मैंने कहा सेकंड सुन लो आप, सेकंड हाफ सुना, कहता मेरी ही तो फिल्म है. तो इतने इजी. उसके बाद तो मैंने उनको जब भी सेट पे आते थे वो हम लोग बैठ के पूरा सीन डिस्कस करते थे. इवन इस फिल्म में भी, ड्रीम गर्ल 2 में भी और इसमें भी, लव के अरेंज मैरिज में भी, उनके साथ काम करना इतना इजी है. मैं शायद उनको अगर उनका कुछ भी डिफिकल्टीज होती तो मैं बैक टू बैक उनको अपनी फिल्म में क्यों लेता. और बहुत ही ज्यादा गुणी मैं जिनको कहूँगा कि एक सेट पे एक ऐसा आर्टिस्ट हमारे साथ है जिनको हर चीज की नॉलेज है, तो हमारे लिए भी फायदेमंद होता है.
Plus also I'll add into it, जैसे सर ने बोला कि his age and the way he is, he's like a 20-year-old dude. Like he sit with us, वो हमारे जो एक जनरेशन बात करती है वो घुल मिल जाता है उस हिसाब से.
Actually, his actual name is Anil Kapoor, you know, and both the Kapoors, Anil, energetic, fantastic, वो अलग ही लेवल के लोग हैं, पता नहीं क्या खा के आते हैं.
But you know, Raj, when you write such a film which has it's a comedy, but it also thrust upon the point that give love a second chance. It's, you know, between senior citizens. It's a very interesting topic. So how do you write the script of such a film while just making sure that it's entertaining but it's not frivolous?
See, it's my personal experience actually. मुझे खुद 3-4 चांस मिले हुए हैं. क्या होता है, आप अपने एक्सपीरियंस से, आपके आसपास के लोगों से जब मिलते हो आप, और खासकर मैं आपको बताऊं, जब आप भोपाल, इंदौर या उस बेल्ट में जब जाते हैं आप देखेंगे वहाँ का इश्क अलग है, बहुत अलग इश्क है वहाँ पर. वहाँ आशिकी बड़ी अलग होती है. हमारे वहाँ पर एक जगह है जिसका नाम है आशिक चौराहा. लोग आशिक आके बैठते हैं.
अच्छा.
आशिक चौराहा, प्रेमगंज, दिलदार नगर, ये उसका एड्रेस है.
अपनी फिल्म
अब आप सोचिए कितना रोमांटिक नाम है.
यही टाइटल हो गया.
ठीक है. अब उस रोमांटिक जगह पर आके बात कॉमेडी करते हैं वो लोग और रोमांस की बातें करते हैं. तो ये सब चीजें मैंने कहीं ना कहीं सुनी थी, कहीं ना कहीं देखी हुई हैं, तो अपनी राइटिंग में उन चीज़ को लेके आता हूँ, तो ये एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ये रहती है कि हाँ, इन सब चीज़ों के साथ एक एंटरटेनमेंट का फैक्टर का होना बड़ा ज़रूरी है, नहीं तो हर एक इश्क कोई भी बोर हो जाता है, यू नो। तो वो कॉमेडी, एंटरटेनमेंट, खासकर फैमिली कॉमेडीज में वो उसका होना बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट इसलिए हो जाता है क्योंकि आपको तरह तरीके के कैरेक्टर्स करने को देखने को मिलते हैं। तो बड़ी हमारे लिए तो बड़ी वो है कि मैंने चीजें देखी हुई हैं, लोगों को लगता है नहीं ये रियल नहीं है, ये रियलिटी है जो मैं दिखा रहा हूँ आपको। Yeah, that's it.
You know, Avneet, I want to come to you. You went to Cannes. It was a fabulous this thing. It was a fabulous show on your part. But I want to ask you a question that's looming large on social media. That there's been a lot of chatter around netizens just needlessly trolling people. That why has this actor gone? There was a lot of noise about Taha Shah being just ridiculed, that why is
But he went for something, right?
Yeah, he did. So he but there was a lot of noise around that why did he go, and a lot of beauty and lifestyle influencers, they have also been going all on their own merit. So how do you also see this and also tackle the negativity around? Do you let it get to you, or do you just focus on the good?
I don't know why it's just happening with the Indians. Like, I don't understand. Like, us going there should be the best news and the biggest news, and everyone should be proud of that and take
That's a very good point.
pride in that. Isn't that true? I mean, if Taha is Taha Shah, right? He's gone there. People should be happy for that. He's gone for his film, I think, and I went for a film as well. So I went to release my film's poster.
Yeah.
And yeah, I know what you're saying, what you're talking about, and that is pretty true. People do ask कि क्यों चली गई वहाँ पे, इसका क्या जाना बना, ये वो। उल्टा देख के खुश होना चाहिए कि वहाँ पर जाके हम सब लोग
उल्टा देख के
हाँ मतलब क्यों, like why do people comment all that? I don't understand. Why is there so much negativity without any reason? Why do you need to spread that in your comment section? You could at least say something good about that person, make their day. But nahi, log they want to do all this. So I don't know. I don't understand why. I just feel this has been a very special year for India to go to such a big global platform and represent. Everyone is representing. वहाँ पे कोई और influencers तो नहीं आए थे, हमारे Indians ही आए थे ना. So why not be happy in that? Nancy has done so well. She's all over the internet. So we should all literally support each other in this. That's all I have to say.
No, that's very well put. A quick rapid fire this and that with both of you before I let you go. Classic romance or modern love story?
Classic romance.
Classic romance with a little bit of a modern love story.
ये दोनों बोल दिए, रैपिड फायर है।
But I like both. So
Love at first sight or slow burn?
First sight.
slow.
He didn't even take a second.
I know.
Rapid fire.
So rapid fire ना?
You didn't let me.
नाम देखो ना,
I just,
rapid
he
fire.
just knew
Yes.
it.
Yeah.
It was so instinctive. Good. Parents approve of secret romance?
Secret romance.
Secret romance.
She's embarrassed.
My mother
आंटी
sitting in
बैठी है ना
front of
सामने।
me. What do I do?
अब वो देख के शर्मा रही है।
With parents' approval.
Spontaneous adventure or carefully planned date?
Spontaneous adventure.
Spontaneous adventure. Yeah.
Romantic getaway or cozy night at home?
Cozy night.
Cozy night.
Love letter or love song?
Love song.
Love letter.
All right, that's it from me.
तो song में लिखना नहीं पड़ता।
थोड़े से करने चाहिए लड़कों को.
लिखा
यार.
किसी और ने, आप
Yeah,
सुनोगे।
that should work.
नहीं, लिखा तुम लिखा, जितने मंजे के कलाकार उन्होंने लिखा है,
हाँ।
हम रोमांस करेंगे।
बिल्कुल।
But have you written a love letter?
हाँ, ट्राई करा है, कोशिश करी है, बट कुछ नहीं होता।
And
कॉपी
have you
पेस्ट भेजा
gotten
है।
one? I'm guessing
I would
you
love
got
to give someone
कॉपी
one.
पेस्ट जरूर भेजा मैंने।
copy paste.
लो.
नाम चेंज कर दिया था कि नहीं?
गूगल पे तो नहीं सर्च करके.
नाम सेम रख तो नहीं लिख दिया था?
नाम तो मेरा ही था।
But
सतीश बहुत प्यार करता है तुमसे, ऐसा तो नहीं?
सतीश ने भेजा।
and you've gotten many, I'm
Yeah.
assuming.
Yeah, I do, but I would love to give someone. अभी तक दिया नहीं है किसी को. Because I like poetry a lot, so I would love
Okay.
to write something.
wow.
I also write. तो कभी आएगा टाइम दूंगी किसी को भी love letter.
Where you're going to break a lot of hearts, and you too when that happens. So we'll wait for that. Meanwhile, all the very best for the film.
Thank
The
you so
trailer
much.
looks fantastic. It looks very fun.
Thank you so much.
And we wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Thank you.